Creating a form that updates your Airtable base is simpler than it sounds. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set it up step by step so you can streamline your data entry and make your Airtable base even more powerful. First, let's talk about why you might want to create a form. If you're managing a team or collecting data from clients, a form makes it easy to get that information directly into your Airtable base without any manual entry. Plus, forms help keep everything neat and organized. Here's how you do it. Start by opening the Airtable base you want to use and click on the Forms View option in your workspace. If you don't see it, just click on the drop-down menu where your views are listed and select Form. This creates a new blank form tied directly to your Airtable base. Now let's add the fields you want. Each form field will match a column in your base, so you just need to choose the fields that are relevant to what you need to collect. Click on the Add a Field button to select the type of field you want to collect, like text, numbers, or checkboxes. You'll see all your available Airtable fields here, so simply choose which ones you want to show in the form. Here's a neat trick. You can set some fields to be required, ensuring that people can't submit the form without filling in certain information. Just click on the field you want and toggle the required option on. Now customize your form a bit. Airtable allows you to edit the form's appearance, add a title, change the field order, or even add a description to each field if you want to guide your users more effectively. Make sure to keep things clean and simple to improve the user experience. Next up, once your form is ready, you'll want to share it. Airtable gives you a unique link that you can send directly to anyone you want to fill out the form. This is great for internal use or if you need to gather information from clients or team members. Just copy the link and you're good to go. You can also embed the form on your website or share it through email. If you need to make changes, just go back to the form view and you can update the fields or layout anytime. And here's a bonus. If you need your form data to automatically trigger other actions, like sending notifications or creating tasks, you can use Airtable's automation features. This is where things get even more powerful. But don't worry about it now. We're just focusing on the basics today. One key takeaway. Creating a form that updates your Airtable base is all about choosing the right fields, customizing the form, and sharing it. It's that simple. Once it's set up, you've eliminated the need for manual data entry, saving you time and reducing errors. Before we wrap up, don't forget, if you want to follow along, check out the exclusive free trial for the software we're using in the description below. This is only available to viewers of this channel. So take advantage of it and make your Airtable workflow even easier. To quickly recap, we covered how to create a form in Airtable, add the right fields, customize the form, and share it with your team or clients. Now, you can start collecting data efficiently and directly into your Airtable base. Remember to grab that exclusive free trial, and thanks for watching.